Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, glad to see you again in my channel. This time on the weekend, I have a very special breakfast. Today I made bubur kacang hijau and my favorite omelette. As a drink, of course, I made a special peach tea for this morning. I had breakfast with my colleague Intan in my beautiful balcony. Peach tea from various brands is my favorite tea, so I always have this in stock in my house. The omelette that I made today, actually it is normal omelette, but it's inspired by Turkish recipe Eminem. But Eminem is using grated tomatoes, but this time I'm just using cut tomato because it's more practical. In the morning I was so busy, I didn't have time to grate the tomato. But still I put some olive oil and also some cheese. It is very delicious omelette and it's very easy to make it. So after this I'm going to share with you the recipe how to make this omelette. Today it was a very beautiful morning and all my orchids are blooming in my balcony, and I have a very beautiful breakfast with my colleague. Okay guys, after this I'm sharing with you the recipe of this omelette. I hope you enjoy. To make this omelette, you need 2 pieces of egg, some tomatoes, cheese, spinach, onion, a little bit of salt, and pepper. Then you mix the pepper, salt, and the egg. I'm using Turkish cooker pan, especially for M&M or for omelette. And when the heat is enough, then you pour all the egg into the pan. Afterward, you add all other ingredients: tomatoes, spinach, onion, and other things, including the cheese. Actually, to make this omelette, you can replace with anything, not only the ingredient that I tell you this time, but you can use also mushroom or other vegetable, or even you can put sausage or chicken or other meat, or even fish if you like. I usually use anything that is available at home, not exactly stick to the ingredient that I tell you this time. This is very easy and very quick to prepare. You need only about 5 to 10 minutes to prepare it. And even though this is the menu for breakfast, but actually anytime when my guests coming to my home and they are hungry, I sometimes prepare this menu for them. On the pan you can mix all the other ingredients few times, and afterward you can put the lid off the pan just for a few seconds until everything will cook, because I love well done cook. You must not leave your pan alone, because the process is very quick. If not, your food can get burned. Now the omelette is done. It looks beautiful, and of course it's very delicious. I hope you enjoy my recipe. See you again in my next recipe. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.